Hello and welcome to this video, where we're gonna be taking a look at the Spigen Core Armor Case.
If you are interested to buy this case, link is available in the description below.
For the Note 20 Ultra, now as you can see the case is extremely slim, and very well crafted indeed. It comes packed full of protection and exquisite style. Really nice integration of the carbon fiber panels, at the top and bottom, and this nice matte finish, that when applied to the phone that makes it look very nice indeed. So as you can see it looks really good, fits perfectly, with the phone very stylish, got that sort of military Black Ops look to it, which I think comes across really nice obviously. The Spigen branding, very slim, which is always good so it doesn't feel too bulky, makes it feel like a Note 20 Ultra. While it's being well protected, and it feels great in hand, like I said, not too bulky. But a really nice raised lip around the whole entirety of the screen, so if we do place it on a flat surface, we'll drop it on a flat surface, your screen is going to be quite well protected, which is always nice. Inside the actual case you do get Spigen's patented air cushion technology, and the spider web design, which helps to dissipate force, pushes shock away from the phone, ultimately keeping your Note 20 Ultra in pristine condition for even longer. So just go ahead and pop the phone in, which I think you'll agree really complements this case very well, and in fact this may be the best case around for the phone, because a lot of the clear cases don't really show it up as well as you think. This one gives a nice bit of subtle detail there, with the cutouts, so you can see that you've got the phone once, just really complementing it, with the overall start of the case obviously cut out to all ports and features are as expected. You can use the phone as normal, you've got some nicer buttons as well, easy press buttons, which is always good. So overall, a very well crafted case, that looks fantastic, and will also provide some very good protection. Indeed, for more information on this incredible case, please head over to our website linked below.